Understanding a sacrificial lamb. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard, a sacrificial lamb. This expression is rich in meaning and history, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in conversation. The phrase, a sacrificial lamb, refers to someone or something that is sacrificed for the greater good of others or to achieve a goal. The sacrifice here is metaphorical, meaning the person or thing is given up or suffers in place of others. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal sacrifices in a family setting to strategic moves in politics or business. The concept of a sacrificial lamb has deep roots in religious and cultural traditions around the world. It is most commonly associated with the Judeo-Christian tradition, where lambs were sacrificed as offerings to God. The lamb symbolizes innocence and purity, making it a poignant metaphor for an undeserving victim who suffers on behalf of others. Understanding this background gives the phrase its powerful imagery and emotional weight. Let's look at how a sacrificial lamb is used in modern language. In politics, a candidate might be described as a sacrificial lamb if they run for office knowing they'll likely lose, to pave the way for future candidates. In business, a project or team member might be the sacrificial lamb, taking the blame for a larger failure to protect the company's reputation. In personal situations, someone might act as a sacrificial lamb by taking the blame or punishment for others to protect them or maintain peace in a relationship. When you want to use a sacrificial lamb in conversation or writing, consider the context carefully. It's a powerful metaphor that can convey deep empathy, a sense of injustice, or the recognition of someone's selflessness. Use it to express these complex emotions and situations more vividly. Understanding phrases like, a sacrificial lamb, not only enriches your vocabulary but also deepens your appreciation for the cultural and historical layers of language. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating phrase and inspired you to explore more about the English language. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.